Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, according to coin market cap, as I believe last week I checked on market cap of Tectonic token, it was actually trading between $21 million. Yes, $21 million market cap. As of 3 days, I saw about $37 million. I was like, okay, let me just monitor this at least in the next 3 days to see if this is actually the new market cap, if there have been a huge amount of money being pushed into Tectonic token. And right now, it still remains the same. As of today, the time of recording this, we have $37.7 million market cap for Tectonic token. That is about $15 million has been added within the past 5 days. I don't know if this is true, but according to coin market cap, we have 37.7. So this is amazing to see Tectonic token market cap massively hitting $37.7 million. This is a coin with about $21 million market cap in the past few days. So definitely over $15 million has been added in the past 5 days, and this is definitely amazing for Tectonic token according to coin market cap. So let's see if this will bring a lot of changes for Tectonic token, if this will bring more investors, if this will attract more buyers for Tectonic token, and if it does, of course, I'll be happy. Of course, we'll be happy because we hope to see Tectonic token keep rising, keep increasing gradually. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. So please, I'm not a financial advisor. So please do your own research before taking any decision. Once again, thank you for stopping by.